Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And hi everyone. Today I would like to talk about the respiratory system of the fish. In Malay we call fish as ikan. Okay. Oh, first of all, my name is Azmir bin Alwi. My metric number 190040. Okay, first of all, what is respiration? Basically, respiration is the process to obtain the oxygen from the environment into the body system. Okay. The other than that, the oxygen is used for the metabolic process, such as to give the energy by reaction of the oxygen with the glucose, carbon dioxide, and ATP process. Okay, so how do fish obtain their oxygen? The mechanism is very unique and different from other organisms such as the mammals, amphibian, and reptile. Um, so, ah, this is the image of the mechanism how the gills of fish works. So basically, the process is called the countercurrent. Okay, I'm using my mouse. So here, the oxygen poor blood um, um, go through here, then when it's in the lamella, the oxygen poor blood flow is uh, what we call it. The flow is the flow is bertentangan. It's opposite. The oxygen poor blood flow is opposite to the water flow, so that the oxygen will diffuse into the deoxygenated blood and become oxygenated blood. So it's very simple but very special. I'm very excited to know this. So, let us compare the fish respiratory system with the mammal respiratory system. So, based on these books, what books? Campbell books. 12, 10, 10th edition. The respiratory system of the fish is called the single circulation, but the mammal is called double circulation. So why? This is because the circulation of the the blood is in only in one direction. So you start from here. When the deoxygenated blood enter the atrium from the systemic capillaries, then it will transfer to the ventricle. Then the ventricle will contract to pump the deoxygenated blood into the gill capillaries. Then the countercurrent reaction occurs here at the gill to collect the oxygen. So the blood become oxygenated and the blood is transported to the systemic capillaries. So it's very simple system. But in mammals, we have double circulation. The deoxygenated blood need to enter the right right atrium and ventricle before go to the lung capillaries, and then we'll go into the left atrium and ventricle before it pumps to the systemic capillaries. So I think that's all from me. Thank you. Bye. Assalamualaikum.